panelist. And last not but the least, hi, I'm Natasha Advani. I'm an internationally certified life coach trainer, art therapist, and a dance exploration expert. I believe, we as human beings, healing is not about pill or prescription, what we take, from doctors, which of course is necessary when we are not well. But healing is more about our internal self. And healing is more about being whole from within. And we don't only do these like healing or such awesome panelists what they spoke about. It's not only we do this when we are not well. We have this misconception that only when we are not well we are supposed to eat well, or we are supposed to exercise. But what if we just make lifestyle changes? So I'm a lifestyle change coach where I work on the mind, body and soul, because no matter what you eat, what you do, if your mind is negative, nothing is going to help. It's very important. Imagine you have the best food in front of you, the best thing, but if you're angry, you think that food is going to contribute to your body. No, it's not. So it's very important to have shift of energy in whatever you're doing, whether it's exercise or even daily living. So I work more on the emotional aspect, more on the stress aspect, because stress is like nowadays, this famous Robin Sharma quote. Stress is like a plague in the scene. So many people having, diabetes, children having glasses at 10, people having heart attacks at 30, which was unheard of 20, 30 years back. But now it's all happening because of our lifestyle habits, our lifestyle changes. We are eating out a lot. So when I say creativity, I work on the creative aspect. It's not about just doing meditation or sitting. Yes, which is important. It's working on your inner self. Okay, tell me something. When was the last time, okay, you all danced or you all did painting or you sang without any judgment or worried about what other people will think about me? Can anyone raise their hands up? We always worry, now what will the other person think? So what is that? That's not healing. That's not being stress free, because we are in constant worry. So when you be creative, it could be anything, whether you dance, like as if no one is watching, or you do art. Because what I work is not on the talent. You don't have to be good or bad. There's no right and wrong in the healing line, right? Everything is, the universe is open. There's no bad person or good person. Everyone is same. So the circumstances sometimes, there are bad habits or situations. We don't know what the person is facing inside. We as human beings judge, right? Oh, what a bad person. Oh, that person is not good. It's so easy to judge. Have you seen nature? Animals, have you seen them judging? You like with animals, one animal say this is bad, this I don't like this person, they are so loving and affectionate. So what if we be that? So when you are creative, when you work, then stress releases, trauma releases, you become whole once again, and you feel good from inside. And it's a constant struggle. It will not happen 24/7. It's working on your inner self daily. So that's what I do. When we have to work, like example, we are 100 kilos and we'd say we'll only exercise one day and not eat good food or not. Are we going to lose weight? No. But that's external. Most important is, I believe, your internal world is a reflection of your external world. And any disease again is a form of something we've eaten or emotional aspect, and also karma. Sometimes people do everything and still they get disease or any. So it's working on that aspect. So when you work on the inner techniques, automatically you will see your life changing. Like I've been in this line since 20 years and I've seen humongous changes working on myself daily. So that's what I believe in, the art of healing and creativity, because when you really focus on yourself, okay, and most important is, we have so many responsibilities now, work, job, children, so many things to do, but what do we ignore the most? Ourselves, our bodies. And when we ignore our bodies, what happens? Diseases, hospital, anger, emotions. So what if we give some time to ourselves and not ignore And I always say self. I don't say selfish. Many people say selfish. I believe in self-ish. I've realized when I do my workshops, a lot of people hate themselves only. They're like, we don't like ourselves, ma'am. That girl is so pretty, or that fellow is much better than me. But there's nothing better. Every person is unique. Like I always say in my videos, everyone is a gift on planet Earth. Everyone is unique in their own way. It doesn't have to be only about looking good or looking bad, because which is very important nowadays because of Instagram and so many things coming up, which is also very, very bad for health. Like during our time when we were in college, we didn't have any laptops or phones and all, but they're more better. Nowadays, phones drain you out, laptops, it has clearly said it even causes cancer. It has come once on Instagram, a girl was using iPods, 18-year-old, she got deaf. And all the foods we get outside, processed food, all that has so many chemicals, right? Earlier we didn't have all this 20 years back. We used to eat proper home food. So all this does affect, with the emotional aspect. So when we work on our inner critic, we don't judge ourselves, we acknowledge who we are, we don't ignore our body, we have fun, we don't think what. Sometimes you can just feel like just, painting or dancing or doing anything that is fun for you. I'm not saying it has to be this. That's what healing is all about, according to me. And that's where I work on movement and inner creativity. So that's it. So how many of you all know dancing? Put your hands up. Which I will. See, I can see your faces. And I can see the fright in your faces. But oh God, I don't know what she's going to tell us to do. Again, there's judgment, there's afraid. So that's what I do. I break that. Because when I do improvisational dance and all, it's not about judgment. You just want to move your body the way you want to move your body. No one is going to judge you and no one is going to criticize you the way you want. So let's just all of us stand up. Do we have music? I don't even know. We have? Oh. In the air? Oh. So, okay, I don't even know if there's music or new music. What if I just tell you to move and however you want to move? There's no judgment for that. Anything. I guess now Dandiya is coming or Bhangra. So what if I just tell all of you all just do Bhangra any way you want to do? There's no judgment. Come on. Let's have some fun. Come on.